Here's a Roadster to check out at Unique Specialty and Classics. And this is a sweetheart. Now, 2017 Superformance Cobra. FYI, it is titled as a 1965, but would be considered a 2017 build year from Superformance, or South Africa company that does the replicas. 1,256 miles on it right now since it was built, and this one was done, and it was done right. The car's final assembly was performed by Althoff Racing in North Carolina. They're very familiar with the Superformance Cobras. They've assembled over 400 plus of these cars, well known for Superformance builds, finishing, final assemblies, that type of thing. The paint on this, Wimbledon white, just a classic Ford color, and they kept it simple. I think that's what really stands out about this car. Lots of times you see these with the stripes, you see them in blue. This one just kept simple. Wimbledon white, sure, if you wanted to add the stripes, make it your own down the road, feel free to, but this was tastefully done. Now, if you want to check out the still pictures, so you can see the engine bay, check out the underside of this car, interior trunk space, check out the still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And of course, you can call us too at 507-386-1726. In the still pictures, I'll also have a picture of a lot of the build information on this. There's a couple sheets that will go through components, specs, and that type of thing. So you're going to find that in the still pictures too if there's something I miss walking around this vehicle. All right, first of all, let's start out underneath the hood. It's powered by an all aluminum block 427 that's been stroked to 482 cubic inches. This car is 575 horse, and that's running on pump gas, 93 octane. That engine's paired up with a Tremec TKO 600 manual transmission, and then finished off with a black interior. Now, as far as that engine goes, Southern Automotive, who's a renowned Ford engine builder located in Georgia, only uses high-end components, expertly tuned. They're the ones that finish the build on this. And again, it's a 427 Pond aluminum block stroked to 482 cubic inches. And a list of their components that they use in the build specs will be in with those still pictures. All right, as you can see, it's riding on the Goodyear Eagle vintage look racing tires. It does have Willwood disc brakes all the way around, also knockoff wheels, that authentic Cobra look. Great performance with those Willwood brakes, and again, discs all the way around. One thing I'll also note, this car even has the heater in it. If you're going to go out on an early morning, maybe to a car show, just want to go out early when nobody else is on the road, if you know what I'm saying, or later in the evening, it's a little chilly, this car even has a heater in it. Blow a little hot air around in that cockpit. Now remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. This car also has a cockpit cover, and you're going to be able to check that out in the still pictures. I'm going to put it on at the end of this video just to show you how it fit and how it looks. Go through some of that with you. A few of the other things, I did mention the Willwood brakes, the Goodyear Eagles, and the knockoff wheels. How about some interior information? It does have Smith's gauges, leather seats. Of course, it has a harness belts. There's an MSD box that is underneath the dash, so it does have electronic ignition. Pro billet distributor, McLeod clutch, and a QuickTime scatter shield. And again, a lot of this information will be in those still pictures. Comes with that cockpit cover like I mentioned. I'm going to show you that in the still pictures and the end of this video. And it also comes with a car cover for when it is in storage or you're not driving it. Once again, those still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And of course, that phone number, 507-386-1726. Paint on this car, I have not really seen much for any flaws on it at all. The one thing that I will point out is it does have the 3M protectant up front. And if you see any little things like this in the pictures, basically what that is a little bit of dirt, a little bit of dust behind that 3M protectant. That could be left on if you want it left on. It could be removed, either way, but it does come around just through the nose of it. Right here is as far up as it comes. And it's going to keep those rock chips off of there. keep that front end protected. But that is on there. It's kind of tough to see on Wimbledon white, but I wanted to make sure you're aware of that. All right, now for the best part, we're going to check out this engine bay. I want to fire this thing up so you can hear it run. Check out what it has for gauges, isn't it? Some of the switches. FYI, wipers do work fine in this car. Had those going just a bit ago. That blower fan also works if you wanted to blow a little heat around in there. And then you do have air vent pulls on each side. Driver and passenger. All right. Again, Smith's gauges, and you can see the gauges are done right also. Here would be your speedometer and your tach up here. Something else you're also going to know is that speedometer comes around counterclockwise. The other thing you're also going to notice if you ever got in a Superformance compared to some of the other factory 5s and some of the other replicas, you have a lot more foot space down here for driving this car. There is actually room there. We're going to let it warm up just a tad bit here. All right, I knew you wouldn't be able to hear me talking really over that exhaust or the engine. Again, the components on this, on the list of them, the build, the information of who did it will be in with the still pictures on a sheet that will be in with those pictures, as well as the components and some of the other things that went into the build of this Superformance. Beautiful Shelby Cobra. Now I'm going to pause this a second. I want to put the hood down. I'm going to put in that cockpit cover. I want you to check that out. But one quick time too before I do that, uniqueclassiccars.com is where you can go see those still pictures. I'll be back in a second. We'll wind up this video.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
All right, and here's that cockpit cover for you to take a look at. As you can see, fits nice and snug. Still has the writing. I believe this matches up with the production number from Superformance. Don't think this has been used too much. Fits very nice. And of course you could unzip that down the center. and still drive with that on. You're maybe going to come across a little inclement weather, or if you're at a car show, you get some sprinkles and you just want to snap that in there. Hey, even a nice dust cover for your cockpit if you're keeping it in your shed or garage over winter or while it's in storage. So nice accessory to have. It also has the full car cover that goes with it too. Don't forget about that. So 2017 Superformance Cobra Roadster that is titled as a 65. And remember, in the still pictures, you can look at that engine build information and kind of a little highlights I have of it in case I missed anything in this video. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.